Top 4 drugstore category blushes. These are all in different shades and get all my moods right. First up is the Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded in the shade Rose Kiss. This is a beautiful bright Barbie pop of pink and I absolutely love the fun element it puts in my look. Next up is this Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. It is a very neutral pink, not too cold, not too warm, and suits almost every skin tone. This is also my most used blush because it's super convenient to carry and very blendable. Next up is the Sivanna Colors So Chic blush in the shade Coral. I had actually purchased it for the packaging. Then I realized that this orangey blush actually looks brilliant on Indian skin tones. It gives that very sunset sort of flush and I love it. Lastly, the shade Rosy Nude from Maybelline. This is actually a very light peach. It's for those days when I just want a very light flush of, rosy pink on my temples and my cheeks.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.